wake up, morning time. Brush your teeth and feel so fine. Grab your brush and toothpaste too. A shiny smile is waiting for you. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Keep them clean and nice and neat. Up and down and round and round. Make those sparkly smiles all around. Brush the front and brush the back. Brush each tooth along the track. Left and right and nice and slow. Watch those little bubbles grow. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Keep them clean and nice and neat. Up and down and round. Make those sparkly smiles all around. Morning brush and nighttime too. Twice a day is good to do. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes long. Sing a happy brushing song. Brush the top and brush below. Move your toothbrush to and fro. Spit and rinse when you are done. Show your smile to everyone. Brush, brush, don't forget. A clean smile is the best one yet. Twinkle, twinkle, teeth so bright. Keep them clean both day and night. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Keep them clean and nice and neat. Up and down and round. Happy smiles are all around. Now our teeth are clean and bright. Time to say a sweet goodnight. Brush each morning, brush each night. Keep that happy smile shining bright.
Brush your teeth every morning and smile through the night. Keep them clean and bright.